Welcome to the tutorial on SSCR Error Code 66. Per the NSLDS, SSCR Error Code 66 is caused by a program begin date that is invalid or greater than the program effective date. The Error Code 66 occurs when the program begin date is after the program effective date. SSCR Error Code 66 occurs when the program begin date is not equal to or the program begin date is before the program effective date. The program must have begun before there can be an effective date for the program enrollment status. To resolve the error, update the program begin date or program effective date as needed so the program begin date is equal to or before the program effective date. Now we'll go over how to view and correct a student's record. Under the NSLDS Reporting tab, the most recent reports at the top of the list. Click on the hyperlinked number under the Number of Students with Errors column. This will bring you to the list of students with errors. Click on the hyperlinked SSN for the student with error code 66 that needs to be corrected. The next page will show the student's editable record. Update the program begin date and program enrollment status effective date as needed so the program begin date is equal to or before the program enrollment status effective date. After updating the programs as needed, click the green Submit button to send the record to the Clearinghouse for processing. For additional assistance correcting SSCR Error Code 66, please reach out to us at sscrerrors@studentclearinghouse.org.